Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to download, install and run basic Azure commands on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So it is not a scratch video, it is continuation video of Azure Cloud playlist. So open new tab, type learnazure.com, learn.microsoft.com. So I will also note down steps. Step 1, open Chrome or any browser and type https://learn.microsoft.com. This is the first step. Second step is your products is there, right? Product documentation. By using this, we can go Azure like this. It is one way to go Azure. Otherwise, scroll down. U documentation. We can also go to Azure tab. So I will go this way. U documentation. After U documentation, scroll down. See Azure is there, right? Click on this Azure. So what we have done, we are clicking on U document. After that, U document Azure. So step 2, scroll down, click on U document, and scroll down, click on Azure document. Okay, this is the second step. The third step. Now we are in the Azure. We are in the Azure tab. So these are the services of Azure, like app service, some Azure functions, Azure AI services, Azure Kubernetes services, like that. So see languages and tools, Azure supported languages and tools. So we need a Azure CLI. So click on this. So Azure Command Line Interface CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. So we are installing for Windows, right? See these different systems: Windows, Mac, Linux. So I am installing for Windows. I am selecting Windows. After that, install Azure and CLI. Here, next step, scroll down, click on Azure CLI. Step 4, after that, clicking on Azure CLI. Here, in install section, click on install Windows. So fifth point is after clicking on install Windows, it will open install Azure CLI and Windows. So scroll down. So latest MSI of the Azure CLI 32-bit, latest MSI of the Azure CLI 64-bit. So these are the two. Mine is 64-bit. Most of the Windows are 64-bit. So download this specific version. Like if you want to older versions, you can copy paste this in browser and mention the version. Here version. Now let's check current version. See current version is 2.65.0. So I will download this and I will provide this link as well with this version, latest version. So I'm opening this in browser. It is expecting version, right? I'm removing this version. Scroll up. This is the version name 2.65.0 and pasted here. So latest MSI of the Azure CLI. So next step, scroll down and click on latest. See spelling latest MSI of the MSI of the Azure CLI 64-bit. CLI of 64-bit. This one. So after it will download the CLI. Let's check it is also working. We are changing right version. We are copied this link in. Yeah, specific version I am copied. So I change it to version to latest. Let me check it is also able to download. I'm canceling this. I will provide this link in description instead of following this directly. You can download from this link. Azure CLI download link. Download link. So after that, step 7, it is downloaded, right? So go to location of this Azure CLI. It is there in downloads. So after that, cut it. I'm installing every software and D drive. So I'm recommended you to install on D drive. So folder Azure CLI. Make sure no spaces between both two. For that, you can use like hyphen. Like this, you can use Azure CLI. No spaces. Sometimes spaces will create some issues. So right click, install. Now we are in download is completed one part. After that, now I am installing. After installation completed, I will do some basic commands. I will run some basic commands. It will open one pop-up, say to as. So it is recommended you to install every software and like why I'm saying, like if you are installing our software in C drive will loaded at the time of our laptop or computer start time. Like when you are pressing a power button, it will be boot, right? That boot time, every software will be loaded. So it will be takes time to load. So that's why like it will take 1-2 minutes time to your system to boot up. So to avoid that, it is recommended to install every software and D drive. So it is installation now. It is going on. Wait some time. This process will be completed. So copying new files. Why first we need to understand why we need Azure CLI. We can access all services through browser, right? But if we are using Azure CLI, like suppose if you are participating in one of the region, if you are participating in any configuration certifications like that, there no one will ask like which button you are clicked, how you are created the through browser, like how you are created app service, how you are created resource group through browser. No one will ask like what are the command you are used to create Azure resources, which command you are used to log in into Azure, like that they will ask. So it is good for using the Azure CLI. Finish. So installation done. After installation done, so open the CMD, check it is installed or not. AZ means Azure command starts with AZ. Now I am checking hyphen version. So AZ hyphen version. Yeah, I enter spelling wrong. Let's see what will happen. So AZ version. This is it right now. See, we are getting Azure CLI version, Azure CLI core, Azure CLI telemetry extensions. How my system is now, this Azure is installed. Let's check environment. It is automatically configured or not. Suppose if I am installing Java in my system, we need to add environmental variables, right? But here we are not added any environments. Let's check. It is automatically added environments or not. How it will be recognizing my CMD, how this is recognizing. Let's check this path edit. So MongoDB is there, Apache Kafka, something is there. Here not there. Like user variables not there. Let's check in system variables, edit. So system variable at top Azure CLI is there. So in system variables, this automatically one automatically added in system variables, automatically added. So now we are using one command like Azure commands starts with AZ, right? To verify verify Azure successfully installed or not. For that, we need to use AZ, small AZ. version. So install right hyphen hyphen. After that, I will connect to the Azure account by using command az login. I will connect to the Azure dashboard. See, let's get in login to. Let's get you signed in. So this is the not continue. So it is saying to enter the mail ID. Enter. It is asking the password. So after entering the password, sign in. Let's see what will happen. Use Windows allow with your account. So it is saying something to easily and securely access apps with Unity set away. Windows allow face and fingerprint or pin. So it is asking to enter some pin. Like it is like a two-factor authentication kind of. So I am giving some pin. It is asking to some pin. So I am entering some pin. It is asking to your Windows password, not the pin. Enter the your Windows password, then automatically it will be login. See, select a subscription and tenure type. Type a number or enter for no changes. So select a subscription and tenant. So type a number or enter for no changes. It is asking this is the number, right? 1. So I am entering 1. See the login output has updated. Please away. No longer display the full list of. Now I am successfully logging into Azure through CLI command line interface. Let's check I am successfully logged in or not by using. I will run a one command. If I am successfully logged in, it will not give any error. Like I want to check resource groups. Is there any resource groups created? AZ Azure starts with AZ group list. This by using we can get resource groups. It is recognized this command. See, these are the some list is given. So that means I am successfully connected with Azure CLI. So what commands we are used? First, where is agent hyphen arson to verify Azure successfully installed or not. To connect with Azure CLI. To connect port to connect Azure account through Azure CLI. For that, agent login to check to list are available resources in Azure 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 Cloud. For that, agent group list. So in this video, we are successfully downloaded, installed, and we are run few basic commands about Azure. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.